Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So, this time we have a duet, Olivia Rodrigo and Joshua Bassett, and their song called Even When, the Best Parts. So, this is not impossible at all, so let's go. We need to learn 5 different chords, and no need for capo-set here. And these chords are C, 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, open E. And then we have a G chord with a B in the bass. Looks and sounds like this. And that is the 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. And then we move on to the A minor. So open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Then the F chord here, you need to bar all strings here on the 1st fret, and the rest is 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. So that's the F chord. And finally the D minor, and that's open D, 2nd on G, 3rd on B, and 1st on E. So we will need to learn this strumming pattern, and it's the same through the whole song. It will be down, down, up, up, down, up. Pretty classic strumming pattern. So I can demonstrate with the C chord. So down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. And so on. So let's go over the chord progression. First off, in the intro, we're gonna play one chord progression there, one round. And that will be from C to this GB variation here, and then the A minor and one F. And so you will do 2 rounds of the strumming pattern for each chord. So then they start to sing, and the verse here, it's the same chord progression. So from C to GB to A minor to F, you make 2 rounds of the strumming pattern for each chord. So one more time: C, B, GB, A minor, and on the last F, just right before the chorus, you only make 1 down strum. So it will sound like this. And one more time. The last F, 1 down strum. And then we are at the chorus, and here will be the same chord progression, and so pretty much the same as the verse. So C, GB, A minor, F, C, GB, A minor, F. And then we are at the 2nd verse, and here, yeah, you can call it kind of a 2nd verse. I don't know if it's the verse, but it changes here a little bit. So we're gonna start with the D minor, and that's the part when they start to sing "It's You" when I don't know what to do. So that's the part we're playing right now. So D minor to GB to C to GB to A minor D minor, and 1 GB, only one down strum. So on the D minor first, it will be 2 rounds of the strumming pattern, and the same with the GB, 2 rounds. But then when we come to the C, only one strumming pattern, one round of this, and 1 round of the GB. And then back to 2 again on the A minor, and 2 again on the D minor, and finally on this last GB, only 1 down strum. So it will sound like this. So that's the second verse, or whatever you want to call it. And then we're back at the chorus again. And it's in the same way. 2 rounds of C, G, B, A minor, and F. So 2 rounds. And there's this outro when they start to sing it's you, 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 and over again. And this is played in exactly the same way as the chorus. So over again, C, G, B, A minor, F, and it ends with 1 C. And that's only 1 down strum there. So if I play the outro for you, it will sound like this. Yeah, and that final C ends this song. That pretty much covers it all. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please subscribe. That will be really good for me. I will appreciate it really much. So otherwise, just leave a comment and maybe wish something for future to cover on this channel. Don't forget, play tuned.